Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular air fryers, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer and the COSORI Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo. We'll be looking at their features, performance, and overall value for money. So let's dive right in. When it comes to design, both air fryers have a sleek and modern look. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer features a streamlined design, perfect for a countertop. It has an impressive 8-quart capacity, making it ideal for larger families. On the other hand, the COSORI Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo offers a 26-quart capacity with a 2-layer cooking option. It can fit up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or a 5 pounds whole chicken. Both air fryers are designed to take up minimal space in your kitchen. Both air fryers offer a wide range of cooking functions to suit your needs. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer comes with 4 one-touch preset cooking functions for popular dishes like French fries, chicken, fish, and meat. It's perfect for those who want to get rid of the guesswork. On the other hand, the COSORI Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo offers more than 12 functions including air fry, roast, bake, broil, and toast. It gives you the flexibility to explore more possibilities by saving your preferred time and temperature. When it comes to cooking performance, both air fryers deliver excellent results. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer uses 98% less oil to achieve that crispy texture you love in your favorite fried foods. It evenly crisps your food every time with a built-in LED shake reminder. On the other hand, the COSORI Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo utilizes rapid heat circulation, cooking your food quickly and evenly. It can cook up to 30% faster than a traditional convection oven, making it ideal for those busy weeknight dinners. Both air fryers are designed to be user-friendly and easy to maintain. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer features a one-touch control panel, making it easy to operate. Its removable air fryer basket and cooking tray are dishwasher safe, and the exterior can be easily wiped down with a cloth. Similarly, the COSORI Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo comes with a user-friendly VSync app, allowing you to control your oven through your smartphone. It also has an external removable crumb tray for easy cleaning. And there you have it, our comparison of the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer and the COSORI Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo. Both products have their own strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts and experiences with air fryers, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.